Tell that them fi dead. 1,000 kill you go chop out your head.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. First thing we are gonna talk about is a dancehall artist Popcaan dropped the highly anticipated song Jungle Justice Part Twice. In this song, I don't think there's much explaining to do, you know. Because once you listen part 1, you definitely listen part twice. Only thing Popcaan is just bringing some additional highlight to them dirty boy. Who we attack? The dirty raper boy them. What them fi do?
Dead them fi dead.
I know I said this topic was triggered by the Canis Jackson story. Rest in peace, Canis Jackson. Alright, and condolence goes out to her family. And people, if you don't know about this story, this young 20-year-old was brutally murdered and raped. Jano star. Jano. Anyway, Popcaan mentioned a particular female in this song where we're not familiar with. And me I go play that part right now. And then we explain it. So me I play it, run the intro, explain it. Listen.
Where is Jasmine Dean from Tyriland? Ashanti Riley from Trinidad.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
Chaddy Marie TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, when Popcaan say, where is Jasmine Dean from our land? We don't know who him a talk about. Him a talk about the little blind girl from up a UA where, you know, all know them can't find her body. We don't know what happened to her. You see me? We're familiar with the Jasmine Dean case. But Popcaan push it a step further and say, where is Ashanti Riley from Trinidad? No, me no live at Trinidad. You don't know that already. So I don't know Ashanti Riley from Trinidad. Me go Google Ashanti Riley from Trinidad. Me realize that Ashanti Riley was a 18-year-old girl that was murdered and raped. And this gone sometime in December. So, may I go just read this quick article so I want to get familiar with Ashanti Riley. Alright? Ashanti Riley murder autopsy reveal she was stabbed to death. The murder of Ashanti Riley ending week has sparked a national outcry for justice and an end to violence against women in Trinidad and Tobago. Police have also arrested a 32-year-old man in association with the murder of the teenager Ashanti. Riley left her Sunshine Avenue San Juan base last Sunday to visit her grandma, but went missing after getting into a PH taxi. She was found deceased in Santa Cruz on Friday. As per the police, the man who has been arrested is one of 3 who are involved in the heinous crime. However, the accused denied any wrongdoing and pointed fingers at other people. For 2020, the murders of 45 women have been recorded in Trinidad and Tobago. And people, me I gonna leave a link in the description to this article so you can read the rest of it. And me I show no vibes. And a Jamaica alone, them thing happen. You see me? So we have to big up Popcaan for bring awareness to this situation. And people, I make a pledge. Because I look into myself and I don't want to be a part of this system. Because I can't be a hypocrite. I can't look out and I say, yo, the government for do this and the government for do that. And me not play my part. I run couple page and I have quite a few, you see me, views and followers and supporters. I never call them followers, because I don't like calling them so supporters. So when I go make a pledge. Anybody can inbox me on Instagram or wherever you feel like you want to inbox me. And I say, Chaddy, I have a missing family member. I want you post them. Chaddy, I want you highlight that situation because it happened to me, it happened to my friend, it happened to my family member. People me are telling you this, you see, if you not talk out and try defend for your family member, try defend your loved one, try defend your friend, we not gonna really know about it and we cannot post about it. And I don't want to be a part of the system, more to make a difference. So me I pledge anybody at all with situations like these, similar to Canis Jackson, similar to anybody at all we're gonna miss, send them to me. Me will post them. Me will turn my page in a missing person report. You see me? And me pledge say me I could do that. We all have to play with part. And me can't there I be a hypocrite. And I just that more I say. Popcaan, big up yourself for that song yeah. I'm hope on the other dancehall artists them not necessarily jump on the bandwagon and do song, forget again or fight. We are born on out. We want to literally try and make a difference. Try using the platform, daddy. Try and make a difference. Canis Jackson, rest in peace. You see me? Ashanti Riley from Trinidad. Me never know you, thank God for Popcaan, because a Popcaan have to highlight that situation have to make me know you. Rest in peace. Jasmine Dean. Anywhere there. Me no know where there. Me no know if your body alone there or what. But really need closure. Me just gotta say that. You see me? People, make a move on.
Boy, raper boy. Dead them for dead. Pedophile. Dead them for dead. Child molester. Dead them for dead.
Dancehall artist Khago was on an interview on ER with Anthony Miller. You know say Anthony Miller itch for ask the question them. Now you know say Khago just win a lawsuit of over $800,000 US dollars, that is, from American-based producer Flavor McGregor. Now it was a counter sue and we did a video about it and we now go back into that topic there. Alright, so now Khago threatened to sue more local producers, including Notnice, Shanizel, DJ Frass. You know what? Let me make Khago talk. I want to listen.
I never sue Shanizel, I never sue Jordan, I never sue DJ Frass. I never make that out of my hit song. I did just want done with that one day first. I never sue him. Notnice, DJ Sunshine, GT Taylor, them one list of people. Me at 10 years now, I do not sell out my friend them at the biggest song for the decade. You know, no make nobody fool you. Now sell out my friend them. You know. And Mr. Miller, oh, if you take my song and I never get dollar yet and I act like a your one. It's not your one, it's ours.
People, more to tell me in the comment section what you think about that. What you think about what Khago say. You feel like say Khago go win big with the Jamaican-based producer them? Shanizel, what go on? Man saying they get nothing from now, sell out him friend them, you know. What go on with that? Anyway, we're moving on. Koffee wins big at 2021 NACP Image Awards. And this is the last story we're gonna look at, people. Jamaican reggae and dancehall sensation Koffee was a big winner during night 4 of the NAACP Image Awards. People may not even know what the NACP mean. Anyway, the Spanish Town native came out on top in the Outstanding International Song category at the awards on Thursday night, March 25th, for her 2020 summer hit Lockdown, which was produced by DEM.
Where will we go when the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road?
The other nominated songs in the category were Blessed by Buju Banton, Pressure Remix by Koffee featuring Buju Banton. What Koffee? A 2-year song them did nominate? You go on very good, man. Anyway, Tanana by Davido featuring Taiwa Savage and Temptation by Taiwa Savage. The NAACP has been revealing its winners for the 52nd NAACP Image Award each night this week across various categories, leading up to the televised award show on BET and CBS on Saturday, March 27. Congratulations, Koffee. Go and raise the banner high for yourself and Jamaica. You see me? You're going good. You win the big award there. And then what do you win? Grammy. Yeah, go on, good mama. Their thing. It's a boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, remember to check me out on the Entertainment Club here on Hype TV and Styles FM at 9 o'clock Jamaica time every Wednesday. Every Wednesday, 9 o'clock Jamaica time. Check me out, Style FM or Hype TV. And it's also streamed on Anjuval Facebook page. Alright, so that's Anjuval Live. Me gonna leave a link to him Facebook page in the comment section. So you can just click it and go on over there. Go see what go on. Alright. It's a boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My God.